In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a pull request in Bitbucket in just 7 simple steps. Let's get started. First, you'll find the pull requests option in the left side panel. Go ahead and click on that. Great! Now look for the Create Pull Request button at the top right corner and give it a click. Here's where you'll choose which branches you're working with. Select your source branch and the destination branch where you want to merge your changes. Let's give your pull request a descriptive title. Click in the title field and type a name that clearly describes what this PR is for. You'll want to provide some context for your reviewer, so add a brief description of your changes and select who should review this pull request. Everything looks good. Go ahead and click Create Pull Request to submit it. And there you have it. Your pull request has been successfully created and is now ready for review. That's all there is to it. You now know how to create pull requests in Bitbucket. Feel free to run through this walkthrough again anytime you need a refresher.